we are going to see 5 liquids that produce 5 mother sauces. So from 5 liquids that produce 5 mother sauces, we are going to prepare stocks. Stocks, it's also known as fond de cuisine for French term. And what is a stock? So stock is a liquid that contains with some of soluble nutrients and flavor, which are extracted from vegetables, bones, and spices by prolonged and gentle simmering. Now we have a variety of vegetables, and we are going to produce a good stock. So what is a good stock? So a good stock is a stock that has fresh vegetables, fresh herbs, fresh bones, and spices. If our bones are not fresh, we have to clean them. It needs time to simmer. It needs time to get enough flavor from bones. So now we are going to start with preparing our stocks from bones. For a stock, I'm going to produce 4 types of stocks. One is going to be from the veal, which will produce veal stock, and one will produce brown stock, and you can see even the bones are brown than veal bones. And we also have fish. We are going to get stock from fish. Here we have chicken, and we are going to produce stock from the chicken. So we are going to brown bones using pan, but you can also brown bones using oven. So what we need to do is just to brown them to make sure that we get the clear liquid which is brown. So now we have our bones are into small pieces. Then I'm going to pour my oil. So you can use any oil, maybe sunflower oil, like MasterChef sunflower oil, or you can use olive oil. Like now I'm going to use olive oil. So just not too much oil. Like now I put only 100 grams of olive oil. We don't want our stock to have signs of oil after. We are going to prepare what we call mirepoix. Now we have onion. So I'm going to cut them into a rough shape. So I'm going to add some more leeks. So for parsley, I'm going just to use stem of parsley. Also going to add rosemary. For brown stock, we use brown mirepoix or brown bouquet garni. So brown mirepoix includes carrot to make it brown. White mirepoix, it's only a combination of vegetables without carrot. So for our brown mirepoix, to make brown stock, so we have to include carrot, then I add just pinch of cloves, And I just add 1 leaf of bay leaf. So now here I have my mirepoix. Now my pan is really hot, very hot. Now I'm going to add my buns, to brown them. Just brown them, make it brown kabisa. And also going to add my mirepoix also to brown them. So I'm going to brown it together. As I'm waiting my bones to be browned and the mirepoix to be browned for brown stock, now I'm going to continue with white stock. So white stock, it's using veal bones to make veal stock. Then also using fresh herbs and vegetables. So for white stock, we are going to use white mirepoix. So white mirepoix, it's a combination of herbs and vegetables without adding carrots. So I have my onion here, my parsley stem, rosemary leeks, then bay leaf and cloves. So I add my fresh bones into cold water, then I add my white mirepoix. As I'm waiting my white stock to be ready, and my, you see, now it has become a bit brown, so I need to continue browning them. As we are waiting our bones to be brown and our white stock to be ready, so we are going to start making chicken stock. So my chicken stock, I have to debone chicken. Remember, every type of meat preparation you have to change cutting board. We talked about use of cutting boards and yellow with yellow knife. It's for preparation of raw chicken. So now I'm having my chicken here. So I just need to debone it, just to get bones from there. I just need bone. I don't need to buy chicken bones alone. Always remember 3-container system. If your stock starts boiling, so you simmer. Simmering, it's reducing fire for the stock. So you reduce fire so that your stock takes time to simmer and takes time for water to evaporate, and also takes time for concentration of flavor. My bones are brown, very brown. Bones and vegetables are brown, so I'm going to transfer them into cold water. So as we are waiting white stock to be ready, then let's continue with chicken deboning to get bones for chicken stock. I have to put on hand gloves. So we always put on hand gloves when we are going to handle raw meat. So we don't want to contaminate our meat. You know, meat, it contains with the proteins, so it's a high risk food. So when we are handling high risk food, so we have to be careful. We have to handle them with care. We are going to debone our chicken, and we have to be smart. So like chicken, we remove the wing part and also the next part of wings. These wings can be used for other preparation, like preparing chicken wings for snacks. You see, I have my wings here, and I have another wings which is trimming, and these trimmings can be used in a stock, but this part of wings can be used for other food preparation. You see, it's very smart. Then we have to separate our chicken breast into 2 pieces. Make sure when you debone any meat, make sure that the knife should be against the bones to avoid wastage. You see? Now I have my chicken breast ready. Now we have chicken breast. So it can be roasted, pan fried, it can be steamed. So you can use any cooking method from chicken breast. See another one, it's already done. Then I have to remove the legs. See? So you know, in the kitchen we need meat cuts. So now we have our chicken legs and chicken breast ready for different preparation and cooking method. Here we are remaining with bones we wanted to have. So I just need to chop them into small pieces. So now we have our bones, chicken bones ready.